Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Sheehan from Meadowbrook School. At Meadowbrook School, sometimes we like to create student voices videos that amplify what our kids have to say. And there can be so much to learn from them, and they learn so much from each other. So it would be awesome if your child has created either a drawing or a motivational message, or if they want to do an interview with you, a quick interview on a video, and you want to send that to my email. That would be awesome because over the next couple of weeks, what I'll do is I'll take those submissions and I'll create a big video project for our Meadowbrook community to share an uplifting message to get us through this time together. So your information will be included in your templates for this week that come home from your teachers, and my email will be included in that. So if you feel like you want to contribute to that video, please don't feel like you have to, but it would be great for our children to see each other. And even if you don't contribute to the video, it would be awesome for you to have your child see what we come up with, which I think will be released in May. All right, so I'm looking forward to seeing your submissions. Talk to you soon. Bye.